Hey guys, it's Kristen coming at you from a Wishful plan. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. Today you will be planning with me for the week of March 12th through March 18th in my Classic Happy Planner. I am really excited about this week, guys, and I'm going to walk you through something completely different today, and I'm really excited about it. So let's go ahead, let's jump right into the plan with me, and I'll kind of give you a tour of the different materials that I'll be using for this week's spread. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so this week's plan with me is very springy. I wanted to bring spring into my Happy Planner this week, so I scooped up some paper flowers by Recollections at my local Michael's store. I thought these were so cute and very, very, very springy, so I scooped those up. And then I'll be using these three different washies. One is a speckled thin gold washi. The next one is kind of more the medium-sized gold spotted or polka dot washi. And then this minty and white polka dot washi as well. So I'll be using those three washies. I'll be using three different sticker books. One is the Maggie Holmes by American Craft sticker book. I really love this. If you haven't seen this, I picked this up at my local Hobby Lobby. Definitely go check it out. It's at the same price point as most Mambi Happy Planner sticker books. So, and it's basically the same number of stickers that you get. So great, beautiful, really stunning artwork and stickers in here. So definitely it's worth checking out. And then I'll be using these two sticker packs from the Happy Planner, one being the rose gold pack, the other one being the black and gold pack. And basically I'll just be using the icon stickers out of these. Another quick tool that I'll be using and trying out in this plan with me is my brand new washi chomper from We Are Memory Keepers. So essentially it looks like a little stapler, and you just put your washi on the little cutting board and then you chomp it down and it makes banners out of your washi. So you'll see that in my spread as well. You'll kind of see me use this and it'll make like little flags and banners for your washi, so you don't have to fussy cut them with your scissors. So I'll be giving this a try today. Other than that, I'm really excited about this spread, and let's just go ahead and get started because I'm really excited to put this together. So let's go.
Time flies, close your eyes, imagine you could see everybody else's dream, what a comfort it would be. All along, standing strong, the way it ought to be. But you can never walk alone on your way to being free. We're only human after all. Nothing could make us fall apart. I'm ready to answer for what I've done wrong in my life. It's nothing, I promise. It's not enough to make you cry. I'm only human after all.
Alright guys, well that sums up and wraps up this week's Plan With Me video. Thanks for hanging out with me this week, and I hope that you learned something new with this one. I know I did, and so I really enjoyed putting this spread together. I think this is my favorite spread to date. I know I say that with most of them, but this one truly is. I really love how everything kind of came together. It is beautiful, it is feminine, and it's a really good kickoff to the spring season that we are going into. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit subscribe to see more, and I will catch you all in the next video.